So before I became a head chef and owner of I'll Take a Bite of That, I was just a regular old guy, man, every day, hard working, going to work every day, raising my child, just living this life.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Started early, man. I've had my hands in all kind of stuff at an early age. I went to high school and college for automotive. In high school, man, I met a lot of dope cats, got into hip hop, graffiti, DJing. MCing, producing, that was a big part of my life for a long time. And even while I was doing that, I was always cooking. The last, I'd say 15 years, man, just working, doing my thing, just trying to, plot a way out of this whole working life, working a 9 to 5. Towards the end, I was a scientific glass blower, which is hard to believe that I even got into that. Being a scientific glass blower, that was my last professional job that I had. So before I'll Take a Bite of That, man, just a regular old guy, man, just doing my thing like everybody else. Nothing special, nothing spectacular. Just a guy out here trying to do his thing, man. Take care of your kids, take care of your wife, take care of your family. That's just who I am. So before I'll Take a Bite of That, man, it was just me plotting and always thinking of a way to do something else, start my own business, get out of that 9 to 5. That's kind of where I got to at this point. That's just who I was before running a food truck, just an everyday guy,